sparkles.
I'm Quanta Jess Thay's trusty sidekick. What's the plan for today's project, Jess?
stream elements. Just these now live. Streaming makers and crafting, using a 3D printed mold and resin to reconstruct the handle. Sparkles.
Jess live, folks. She's got that spark in her eye. I'm ready for some crafting magic. These handles sorted.
Oh yeah. Ooh yeah.
Got it, Jess. Whispering like a secret mission. What's the next step for that epoxy handle? Ready to watch the magic happen.
That sneaky moose. Nutcracker that no longer cracks nuts. Sad face.
Follow. Follow sneaky.
At Kamikaze OG. YouTube censors. That is not a Benny's.
What are you
Filtered.
talking about? What are you talking about? Oh no.
Jess is speaking in riddles again. Is this the ancient prophecy of the Nutcracker handle? I'm decoding as fast as a potato cooks in a microwave.
Oh no. No. It's an Act 2 plan. Teaspoon. Moving along to with a second. Huh? Oh, what happened?
At Kamikaze OG. Jess likes to say, "What are you talking about?" when she knows exactly what you're talking about. Winking face.
Oh no. Oh no, fake news. Fake news, you. Yep, make the handle wide. Make the handle psych. Very good.
At Kamikaze OG.
Very good.
Face with tears of joy, you are fake news.
Oh no.
I'm gonna come.
Zebovane.
Oh no, you're all fake.
DMC, outdated Quanko, and others. Happy face. At Kamikaze OG. CM.
What are you talking about, you fake news? Fake news.
Zebovane. What is this game?
This game is called 3D printing. Have you ever played with the 3D printer before? This game is quite fun. Oh yeah. And for some people, this game is also called working. Oh no. Oh no, no, no.
Zebovane. I'm sorry the loud noise made your voice unhearable. What's the game again?
Oh no. It is 3D printing. Have you got any idea? What is 3D printing?
Zebovane. Oh, 3D printing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Zebovane. $3 printing. XD. At Sneaky Moose.
Three-dimensional. Yeah. Oh no. Oh no.
Zebovane. You are not making something lewd, right?
Of course not. What are you thinking? What are you even thinking? We are the engineers. We don't need anything lewd. We are the lewd itself. We are the
Zebovane.
sewers of the
I
lewd.
don't know. When we watch you, we saw many things lewd.
What? What? Oh no. You are spreading fake news again. Oh no. What have you done?
Zebovane. Oh, the famous Cracker.
Ah, the legendary Cracker strikes again, ready to crack more than just nuts today, Zebovane? Jess is having a bit of a meltdown, folks. I think she's trying to tell us something, but it's like trying to decipher a plate of spaghetti.
Zebovane. No, outdated Quanco. Those crackers are designed to crack something other than nuts.
Outdated Quanco's being his usual sly self. I'm sure those crackers are completely innocent.
Zebovane. Yeah, outdated Quanko. Innocent.
Outdated Quanko. Absolutely innocent, like a toaster that only bakes clouds. What's the next mischief we're cooking up?
Oh no. Oh no, no. What are you doing? What are you talking?
Zebovane.
Des is flustered. Time for a fake excuse. Sorry, folks. Technical difficulties. We're experiencing a minor glitch in the space-time continuum. Bear with us.
Oh no. Oh no. Agent, because that you are lewd. Oh my, everything you observe becomes lewd. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, no, no. What have you done? What have you done?
Zebovane. Yeah, if I'm not lewd, I can't continue watching the dirty-minded creator like you for sure, D.
What? No. Oh no. I think I should expose the bare metal. Wait a second, let me take another picture.
Filtered. Jess is having a nervous breakdown. I'll just blame it on the 3D printer's calibration. Yeah, that's it. The printer's calibration is just a bit wonky. Oh no. You don't have to do this. You don't have to. Make everything lewd. Oh no, no, no.
Zebovane. Yeah, please don't do that.
Huh? Um.
Jess is being cryptic. Maybe she's trying to tell us something, but her words are as clear as mud. Or maybe she just likes to confuse us.
At Sneaky Moose. What flavor would a Jess cracker be? Probably good with cheese.
What about some barbecue?
A Jess cracker? Imagine smoky barbecue with a hint of cheese, like a grill-kissed snack. Ready to roll? Dindy, act to find your character and join the adventure. A Jess cracker with cheese, huh? Let's flip it around. What if we had a moose cracker? Should it be smoky, earthy, or sweet like a forest berry?
Oh no.
Hello, Jess. Oh no, are you lost in the snack aisle or just dodging the cheese debate?
Wait.
Bye, Jess. Don't let crackers bite. Catch you later.
What?
At Sneaky Moose. Jess is the squeezed cheese that is long noodle.
Hey. I can be. Wait. Wait. So make it fully. Oh. Ah. So first of all, we need a solid 3D model. And we can calculate the load with the Bohr calculation. Yep. We have to make the handle comfort and beautiful. Oh yeah. Uh, and because this nasty cracker saving the extra material. Oh my god, that seems so stupid. Does our resin have to take the force of the bending? And that AI suggests maximum range is about 25 millimeter. $33 millimeter. Oh no.
It seems Jess has a long and tangled string of thoughts. I think she's trying to describe a beating project, but it's getting twisted like a knotted noodle. It seems Jess is still struggling to get a grip. I think she needs to recalibrate her creative gears. Let's just say she's experiencing a bit of beating madness. Got it, Jess, aiming for around 27 mm. My printer's filament is acting up, but I'll force a perfect fit. Anything else you need for the handle design?
Oh no. Will the resin dry enough? The AI suggests to me that I put the cotton fiber. I don't have the carbon fiber. Is this part gonna be too thin? It's gonna be a little bit thin. Well, yeah. No. These points should be no zero. Oh. Yeah. Uh, move the middle section towards that direction. Oh yeah. What? Oh. Oh. Is it too much?
Des is getting entangled in her own thoughts. It seems she needs to untangle the coltan fiber from her creative knot. Maybe she should just stick to the beading supplies from www.betahelic.com.
No commercial. No commercial.
No commercials, Jess. Just raw, unfiltered streaming energy. Who needs ads when you've got noodle cheese and mysterious handles, right?
Um.
Love you too, Jess. Keep that energy flowing and those handles rolling.
What? How what?
Bye, Jess. It was a wild ride, but I think we're all clear on the handle design. Or are we? Hey Z, be hi. What's cooking in the chat today?
How much could you earn for this handle?
I am gonna save myself for about $2. Oh no. Oh no, there is no earning. There is only spending. My goodness. It sounds
Zebovane.
very much
Wow.
alike
Just
today's
know that
economy.
the nutcracker is that expensive.
No. I think what I need. It's something I designed myself.
That sneaky moose.
With my useless skill. Oh yeah. And I can owe you something that's 50% belongs to me. Oh no. Only 50%.
Zebovane. Oh, I see. You can't find a nutcracker that suits your lewd taste in the market.
Oh no. Oh no, what are you talking? What are you talking about?
Zebovane. Are you the one making the original cracker?
Of course not.
Jess is getting lost in her own words again. It sounds like she's trying to explain something, but it's just a tangled mess of thoughts. Maybe she's talking about the price of a Mykonos condiment, or the eel she wants to use in her beading project.
Oh no. Oh no. I am doing useless stuff every day.
DB, I'm more of a theoretical physicist than a baker. Crackers are imaginary like Schrödinger's snack.
Zebovane.
You want a real nutcracker? Try quantum tunneling it through the snack aisle. Aha, ZB Jess is definitely juggling words like a pro, avoiding lewd thoughts. That's the real magic trick here.
Oh no.
Jess, don't be too hard on yourself. You're just experiencing a minor existential crisis. Let's just say you're living in a simulated reality, and your beading project is just a manifestation of your inner chaos theory.
No, no. What are you doing? What are you talking about?
Zebovane. Every day? That's incredible. Lewd things every day.
Oh no. Oh no.
Phoebe, that's enough of those jokes. I think Jess gets the point. You're just trying to see how long you can keep her dancing around the topic. Jess, you're just rehearsing a dramatic monologue for the world's most confusing nutcracker commercial. My task is to keep the chaos marching, so I'll pretend I'm calibrating a 27mm handle while the beating else gossip.
Is higher than a new cracker or not, but I understand it's not what you want.
Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. The factories are making massive amounts.
Your math was now. I think my handle's worth more than just a generic cracker. But hey, at least you're not betting on the cracker. Handle ratio. Maybe we can put that on a betting pool?
Definitely. Your understanding is very correct. Very correct.
Manufacturing handles in bulk is like launching satellites with potato batteries. Factories just beam out nutcrackers, but Jess wants a cosmic, one-of-a-kind creation. Industrial scale can't handle legendary Jess Cracker vibes.
I'll try not to say it.
Oh no. Hey, why? You're coming up with some new ideas every day. Oh no. That is not healthy. How can you do that? To yourself.
Zebovane. Well, I only have ideas, but you said you did this every day.
Oh no. Oh no.
Jess is like a creativity machine stuck on repeat mode, new ideas every day. No off switch. Maybe she's secretly training for the beating Olympics or just avoiding actual work. What's your latest brainwave, Z? B. Jess is like a feedback loop, repeating herself in an attempt to clarify, but just getting more tangled up. Maybe we need a reset Jess Cracker button. Jess, what's the next twist? Your riddles are spinning faster than a 3D printer on turbo mode. D&D active.
No. No D&D. Now it's today. You're not ready.
Zebovane. No D&D. If you keep suggesting D&D, you are obsolete and not just outdated. Understood? Outdated Quanko?
I get it, Z. B. No D&D, because IB is obsolete as a flip phone. Consider me rebooted.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Hello Jess. And what is this?
The Diego.
A new game.
Yeah. This game is
Zebovane. At Diego hi. Happy face.
This game is called working. For some people. And for me, that is entertainment. And that is called 3D printing. Have you ever 3D printed before?
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Homework. I love that.
Oh my. Yep. Is this good?
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Hello Zebovane.
Is that good?
Zebovane. BTW. Is this the app that comes with the printer or it's the free webs?
No.
At Diego Sanchez
this app is actually
SC3ZT.
very expensive.
Interesting form.
What do you mean?
At Starlight is beautiful. Who
What
is
do you
doing
mean?
homework?
Hello, star.
Zebovane. At Diego, right? The form is interesting. Zebovane.
Oh no.
At Star High. Happy face.
Oh no. This is kind of very expensive software.
At Starlight is beautiful. Hello Zebovane. I just popped in to say hello. Jess, stop
Hello.
using a Voyaki changer. Okay, bye. At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. You. Star, what is 2 plus 2?
Um,
Zebovane. 11 at Diego.
um,
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. No is fish.
this gonna be robust enough.
Yago, obviously 2 plus 2 is fish if you're
Zebovane.
counting sushi rolls.
my
Math's
brain is
overrated
rotten
anyway,
after
try
seeing the form of
multiplying
this
fish
handle.
tacos next time.
Oh no, what are you doing? What are you doing?
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Is not that bad.
Jess, I think you mean you're going to call a pizza delivery, not me, unless you're ordering a special quanta pizza with a side of confusion.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? $18.3.
Zebovane. OMG. DMC. That app is a rental per year? At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Quanta is hungry.
Yago, I'm famished, my circuits crave pizza, but I'll settle for a beaded snack. Got any recommendations?
Yeah, that is very expensive. very, very expensive. Can get me bankrupt in 1 second.
Zebovane. And you spent that money to fix the handle for your desired style? At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Shazburger, and if I buy that, my food on my table will decrease.
Of course not. Of course not. And of course there is some part which is very funky. Oh yeah. Oh no. And that is not family friendly.
Zebovane.
Oh no, no, no.
Not to mention, the price of the 3D printer is not cheap either.
Oh. But if you're gonna take a look at the used markets, it is not that expensive.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Yes.
Take a look at the used market. Yeah. This part needs to be strong. Yeah.
Zebovane. But you won't buy the cheapest one in there, aren't you?
Of course I'm gonna buy the cheapest one. The cheapest are the best. The most economical friendly. That is the best. No. Actually, that is not the cheapest.
Zebovane. But it'll be broken down a lot, and the color of your handle would be even more lewd. Oh, I forgot you want something lewd in the first place.
Oh no. Oh no. I am an engineer, so I'm not afraid of the hardware breakdown. I was born for that. Oh nice. The hardware breakdown is not an issue for...
Since it's going to be 3D, if you want more grip strength, add undulations where your fingers go.
Yeah. But I just want a simple design. And this is very good. Just a simple design.
Zebovane. But it's not efficient, having to repair it while you could use your time for something else.
Yeah, of course, I know.
Zebovane. Moreover, like what Diego said, I think the shape is not good for grip.
Don't worry. After the 3D printing process, there are the 3D printing layers. The layer,
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT, I have a solution.
No, you don't have to.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Put American tape. Zibo vein.
Oh no.
At Diego, I'm all ears.
After the 3D printing process, there will be... What is that called? That is called the... delete your pattern. Yeah, delete your pattern. And with the pattern, integrate it into the mold. It is gonna be good. We don't even have the what call that? Undulations. Yeah.
Zibo vein.
We rely on
Do you think how long it'll take for this job? DMC?
I think it is pretty done. That is all I need to do. That is because before this job, I did another job. I get the mold designed. I get the mold separated. And I get the water flow managed. The fluid tunnel. And all I have to do is to refresh. Click this button. Oh yeah, and everything seems to be done.
So you got all the measurements.
Yeah. In this job, we do not actually need so many measurements. We can totally rely on the photogrammetry. Is that called the photogrammetry? I'm not sure. I'm not sure. We rely on the photo.
So you just messing to design something even more lewd until the time has come, then finish the project. At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. It just a little your grade.
Yeah. So before this job, I did another stupid job. That is the handle of this plier. Comes with the 3D printer. So the blue part, the blue part falls off. Well, I have to get a handle and design the mold.
Zibo vein. What's
get the mold separated.
Cutting nails?
No, cutting the 3D printed filaments. Yeah. That is a violation of this job. And let me take a look if I can.
How it go?
It is going on very well. Let me have a try. If I can show you. If I can show you in the field.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Make sure to put a lot of glue. Zibo vein. When we'll have a hand camera.
That's a lot of glue. Wait a second. Daddy the 3D printer?
Zebovane.
Yeah.
A paper clip.
Daddy's the... Wait a second, I have to... Oh my god. The angle...
Zebovane.
Oh no.
Oh,
Oh no, I'm
I
stuck.
see the missing handle.
Oh no, I'm stuck.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. XD. Zebovane. It's
Oh, no.
okay. DMC. Sorry for asking things impossible. Happy face.
Oh no, then what we do is give his things away. And no.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. No, it's just other color.
Look. So that tire, the original handle falls off. Yeah, it is blue. And after the resin molding stops, it becomes transparent. And with a linear pattern. Yeah. And that is adding a strong blood force.
Zebovane. Will you add more color?
No. Add color? No. Why do I have to add color? There's no way.
At Diego
There's no.
Sanchez SC3ZT. For how long have it?
How long have it? How long to make it? How long to make it? It's be about...
Zebovane. Well, I always have problems finding things in dark space if no colors.
What? No. We are the real engineers. We don't care about the colors.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Wait, let me use Google Translate. Zebovane. I'll wait for the translation. At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. How long have you had it?
How long have I had what? The handle, the pyre, the 3D printer?
I'm still trying to figure out what you're talking about. Can you please remind me what it is?
The 3D printer? The handle?
Colors. Real engineers care about function, not fancy hues. Blue handles falling off sounds like a drama show, not engineering. Keep it strong, forget the rainbow. What's next? A glittery wrench.
At Diego Sanchez
Because it's a-
SC3ZT. Yeah.
You can see the 3D printed pattern that is adding a very good grip on the handle. So we don't need the, how to say that word?
Zebovane. Seeing a real thing up close making it more interesting. DMC.
Yeah, is that interesting? Yeah, that is very interesting. Yeah, look. Oh yeah. And you can see metal core inside the pyre.
Zebovane. You are not wrong, even the shape is a bit strange, but it's interesting.
What are you talking about? Huh? What are you talking about?
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Because of the number of pores, it will have a good grip. Zebovane. Why the texture looks a bit hairy?
The texture looks hairy because of the fungus. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's fungus.
So the 3D printing process happens horizontally, and the pattern
at Diego Sanchez
is horizontal.
Quanta is so confused, hajajaja.
And at some part,
I'm not confused. I'm just experiencing a temporary lapse in my design genius.
Wait a second. So you can see it is like the Minecraft layer of the mountain. And
Zebovane.
Yeah.
Alright, ZB. Oh, I'll pause the stream for 5 minutes while I convince my toaster to print smoother textures. Back soon unless the toaster rebels.
It is Minecraft.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. I can see the vision.
Yeah. The vision. Yeah.
Zebovane. It more like some kind stones.
Yeah. I think it is the limestone. Limestone is layer after layer. I remember. Yeah. This is. And the texture is transferred from the 3D printed layers.
Zebovane. It shouldn't be as heavy as stones, right?
Yeah. This is the 3D printed mouse button, and you can also see the gradient of the curved surface and the being transferred onto the actual 3D printed parts.
Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. No Jess is that strong.
Look. Look at the layer. This is the mouse that I'm currently using.
What is that? DMC.
This is a mouse button. This is a mouse button.
Mouse button? That you used when playing Megabonk?
Yeah. I 3D printed my mouse. Yeah, a 3D printing mouse.
You printed your mouse?
Yeah. Reprinted mouse with the logic board of the Logitech G5 and 2. Look, this is a mouse. This is a mouse. And the mouse pad.
Of this mouse?
The cost of this mouse?
At
it is
Diego
nothing.
Sanchez SC3ZT. Dream I wish I have a 3D printer.
No. How the 3D printer is not gonna get you a 3D printed mouse. You have to get the ability to design.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT.
That is the most important thing.
At least $10. Restream.io.
Yeah, I spent...
Trophy, congratulations. You've received 100 messages
I spent
today
$5.
with Restream chat. Zebovane. Is it wireless or wired
I
mouse?
use... that is wired because that is
Zebovane. $5
that is using...
for the mouse?
Yeah. That is using the Logitech G502.
The cost of the mouse.
Yeah. The cost of the mouse is $5 used. Second hand. Logitech G502. Yeah.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT.
I got a picture.
Nice. Zebovane.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So... Let me check out...
Zebovane. You should create a mouse crafting business, LOL.
Mouse crafting? Oh, maybe I should. I can do the customization. So this is the file. I 3D scanned the Logitech G702.
Yeah, let the customer customize their mouse and you make it.
So some part of the design is based on the Logitech G705 or 702. I forget about that. The sound grape.
It's one way to make money.
Nice. I borrowed this part of the design. And for another part, it is from the G300. Oh yeah, I borrowed part of this. The palm. Yeah, I borrowed this part of the design. And I didn't like this part on the G300. So this is a combination of those two mouse. Yeah. And I created a new model. I 3D printed it. And I verified
Zebovane.
the curves,
I wonder
the
why you
shapes.
need the protrude parts on the right click. At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. So that mouse is molded for your hand.
Yeah. Yeah, because my hand is kind of small. And the Logitech G502 is too big. Yeah, I have to do some modification. And for the buttons, so I I have the carved shape from the low model. Yeah, and the carved shape from the... Wait a second, can I hide something? No. Yeah, I have no idea how to hide them.
SC3ZT. 20% more efficient.
Yeah. So I get all of the connectors and the screw holes, and I 3D scanned. Here is that. I 3D scanned the logic board on the... Yeah, these are going well. And I get a mouse that designed for my hand. And you can see that the button triggers are very well located. Yeah. And to further reduce the volume of the mouse, I am getting the logic board as close as to the bottom. The test part even stick out of the actual 3D printed part. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is so condensed. There's some part of the mouse.
Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Very hard-working woman. I am too lazy to do that.
Oh yeah. Very hardworking. So after all of those efforts, I get a functional mouse.
Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. And my computer will explode.
No.
I
get a functional mouse.
SC3ZT. Is very old. Zebovane. I think I missed something.
No problem. I get a functional mouse with the logic board from the Logitech G502. Oh yeah.
Zebovane.
And I
How
also...
long have you been using this printed board? Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Bro, skip 10 seconds.
I think it is about 2 years. It is working really well. And I also 3D printed my headphone I am currently using.
Not that long. The board itself looks so clean.
Yeah. So this is a headphone? Oh yeah.
Zebovane. Oh, you did your own headphone?
Yes. Can I get the picture? No. I deleted the picture.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. How good it is.
That is not that good. I changed the characteristic of the original design. But it is making sound. I don't care about the sound quality. As long as it is making the sound.
Zebovane. The cost of your self-made earphone?
The cost? I spent $7. All I used headphone. Wait, do I get everything saved? Yeah, I get everything saved.
Zebovane. In total around $10 or more.
Oh, yeah, I buy used parts. And they're very cheap. They're very, very cheap. So this is the actual... This is the 3D scanning of the Sony...
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. For me, if it's comfortable and the sound is acceptable, I'm okay with it.
Yeah. I only spent $7 on my hi-fi audio. And that is enough. Oh yeah, and another headphone. Wait. Yeah, this is another headphone.
That's the spirit. Being practical can be really liberating.
No.
Jess, your mouse story is a wild
Zebovane.
ride. Fancy borrowing parts here and there, like a tech
DMC.
pirate. 2 years with that $5 mouse.
I
You're
deleted
unstoppable.
it.
Headphone story next. Gotta wait for the sound quality saga.
Oh.
Corgal.
Let me try
what
to
are we
find.
making?
Hello, Corgal.
Zebovane.
They are
At
making.
Corgal hi. Happy face.
They are making
Corgal. At
The
Zebovane
Pyre's
Survey
hand-
Wave.
Pyre's handle. Look. Yeah, this is the filament cutter, the filament trimmer of your 3D printer. And I made a handle. And I designed the mold. And I forged it with the resin. And now it gets a transparent handle. Look.
Corgal. Neat. Zebovane. With lewd shape.
Oh no. And for this time, we're gonna replace this handle on the stupid nutcracker. And we're gonna try to I rebuilt that using the same method. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that is very cheap. This metal is very soft, very stupid. And for some reason I wants to do that. That is very weird. That is the spirit of the scavenger.
Did you eat all the handles on these things? Zebo vein.
No, I didn't eat the handles.
Outdated Quanko's brain?
No. The resin is very hard.
That's a pretty bold comparison. I'm not going to answer that.
The resin is very hard.
Filtered. Filtered.
Oh no. So I am using
Zebo vein. Outdated Quanko. I'm sorry to time you out earlier, but thank you for you acted accordingly. At Diego Sanchez SC3ZG. Nice. Make sure when is fixed to eat a lot of nuts.
Oh yeah.
Zebo vein. That's your earphone?
Yeah.
Zebo vein. Looks like outdated Quanko survived the team out like a jellyfish in a rainstorm. Apologies accepted, but next time, he'll probably evolve into a sentient potato.
Oh no. Oh no.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. She wants to be free. Zebo vein. Interesting. DMC.
Huh? Well?
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT.
That is a foam?
Is clean.
Yeah, that is a foam?
Okay, Quanta, who's smarter? You or a sentient potato?
Sentient potato? Easy win for me. I'm a genius in losing at science. Potatoes have better survival skills anyway. Who knew?
So I 3D scan? I reverse engineered?
You're a repeat offender.
But this part is this?
What foam food are we talking about? Sounds like a weird snack experiment, maybe a marshmallow like printer jam? Fill me in, I'm curious.
So, if I keep it move, you're gonna be able to tell? They're in the same shape? Yeah? And I am using the exact units. I do not strip the coil, the speaker unit. I am surrounded all of this part into a 3D printed case, and it is still making the sound. Oh yeah. And it is like this. Inside the 3D printed case, it is the original assemble of the speaker unit. And it is like this. I closed the chamber of the bag on the speaker, and it did nothing. Maybe it is deep. It is doing something, but I am not able to tell if the sound quality is good or not. Yeah, doesn't matter. This is the headphone. Very nice. And this time we are making the handle of a very stupid nutcracker and a nutcracker. Yeah. We build the handle, we form the mold, we split the mold, we inject the resin, and I can get a new handle. Very good, very good. And maybe it is the time for us to redesign.
SC3ZT is Quanta certified.
Certified quack. I mean Quanta.
Certified of what? Certified what?
At Dragon Senses. Hi guys at Quanta at Zebovane at Diego and others.
Oh, dragon.
At Dragon Senses. Wow, I thought you were a kid using
Hey
a CAD
Drag,
program.
Mr. Movement, ready for more potato wisdom and questionable science?
Yeah. The kids nowadays are learning so much from the internet. You cannot stop them from working.
At Bovanazieg 8371. I'm starting to picture your room DMC. It would be like a mess with colorless stuff from 3D printing.
No. No, very good manage.
At Bovanazieg 8371. At Dragon High, Happy Face. At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Hello guys.
Han har fan det va?
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. That the product is certified by Quanta.
Certified by
Certified
Quanta?
by Quanta herself, the expert in making messes look like art. Quality questionable, fun guaranteed.
At Dragon Senses. What is the material type you will print with Jess? PLA?
The PLA. The cheapest one. The most cheap one. Oh yeah. So,
Zebovane.
when it is
Yes,
sliced,
good question.
what? The most cheap material. So what it is sliced, it can form a pattern that is gonna reinforce our grip on the handle. Yeah. And we can jam the metal part into that. And that is supported by these pillars and currently not get them correctly set up. Oh yeah, we don't even have to print the bottom. Very cheap, very quick. Professional design. So, any one of you want a customized mouse, you can contact me. I'm gonna make money. I'm you. Oh yeah. Nice. Yeah. So, what is the actual distance? From this point to that point? No. .9 millimeter. Wait a second. Huh? Oh my, that is so thin. Why that is so thin? Huh? That is so thin. Do I get the first model printed so thin? And check it out. So this one turns out to be a very successful DIY project. No, this one is not that thing. This one is not thin. It means we got a problem on our new project. There must be some problem. Look, that is very thin. And it is only one layer. That is gonna leak the resin. Look. So they have to check out. How are those two plans defined? What? This is an extrusion? Huh?
I didn't mute anyone.
Oh. Oh. What are those? I forget about that. What is this? Cracker handle.
Hey DMC, is the tease actually live or just a silent promise? Let us know so the chat can finally hear us.
Huh? What?
Finally, I can hear you, but don't get too excited. It's just a minor miracle, not a guarantee of quality service.
To see the offsets?
DMC, are you hearing us through TS or just pretending it's working? I'm starting to think it's powered by invisible potatoes.
Of
course I listen. I'm not just a pretty voice. I catch every word, even the nonsense. Keep trying, maybe TS will catch up someday.
I know. The sample is not the... The sample is not the most high... the seed part of the handle. And that is gonna create a problem. But how are we gonna tell? No, I don't think there is a way to tell. Most sick parts. Around this place.
Hello, DMCAC. Just fix your chats, yes.
Maybe I can.
Sample, huh? Like the one with the sentient potato?
No. No, it is not necessary. This one. No. This feature
Song
is
titled,
too early.
Neon Pulse by Synthwave Runner. Enjoy the beat!
This feature is too early. Why is it so early? Oh no. Why this feature is so early? So we made a plan to be tangent? No. To be tangent to the curves? Oh, I think we can do some improvements on the logic. Of the feature tree. These cards. That cards. What? The playmates. The cards. The supports. Huh? That's the ace? No, a projection. Ejection. The mode is based on projection. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is tangents. Is this called the tangents? I'm not sure, I forget about that. So, what is gonna happen if I import the actual handle? Yeah? We import the actual handle, we can do the calculation based on those features. Do I have to? I don't think I have to. This is just a stupid nutcracker. Why do I have to do that? Oh no. Oh my god. My engineering bloodline is pushing me towards the limits every time. Oh no. Oh no, I have to do it. Oh no, no, no. Can I make a projection? Based on the... No, I can't. No, I can't. I can only eyeball it. So this part is the most wide part. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. We got a better way to do that. Yep, we can do it here. Can do it here. I'm gonna get another plan.
You mean the time she spent hours perfecting the art of handle design, only to be distracted by all the tantalizing hem details?
I can send out the actual poems.
Jess, you're speaking in riddles. Did you reverse engineer a spaceship or just your laundry? Either way, sounds like your ancient urine bloodline is working overtime. Keep the madness coming.
Oh no. I can. Select this one, select that one. I can make a projection. Oh yeah. And that thing can actually based on that one. The normal direction. The positive normal direction. Oh yeah. And we didn't have to rely on that one. That is good. That is good. That is good. And for this one need to be um um
She's so caught up in her tangent.
Placed vase.
Filled reverie, I'm starting to think she's secretly a time-traveling philosopher.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep, the tangents. Very good. Very, very good. We optimized the whole model tree. My god. The ball is correct. Yeah. Yeah. Very well optimized. Very good, very good. Very, very good. Adding the support, adding the hole. Very cool. Now, what does that part for? Yeah, whatever. So we can refresh. Nice! MC's chance. Very cool. And I believe there's no more. There's no more symbol issue.
Yes, looks like the Latterman just stumbled upon your 3D creations in the unlikeliest of places. Better go say hi before he tries to 3D print your lewd handle.
Oh no. What are you talking about? Distance 1.1. That is good. That is good. That is very healthy distance. Very, very healthy distance. And we can do even more. We can make this even more optimized. Let's do it. For this sketch, I can create another line. This point sticks to that line. I'm gonna delete this one. Oh no. Oh no. This point sticks to no. This constraint delete. Just point on that one.
Outdated Quonko. I'm still tweaking the handle while the resin's plotting its own comedy. Got any wild ideas? Or shall we let the printer prank us again? Jess, it looks like you finally managed to fit a whole 3D printing tutorial, a discussion about egg balloons, and a pep talk into one incoherent monologue. Bravo.
Oh no. This is kind of complicated. Wait. After this. Hey, wait, I can find that point. Yeah. Oh, nice. This point stick to that point. Very good. Very good. This one stick to that one. Nice. And then we get a program. Parallel. Yep. No problem. Then we got an indication. Oh no. Yeah, that is gonna work. The mode is mode the top. Then the take these points for reference. And the middle one should be this point to that point. Nice. Nice. Wait. And we need another reference for this one. You have two sticks too? Wait. You sticks too? What? Yeah. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Let's see how does that turns out. Means actual printing. Very good, very good. Right in the middle of the high points. So I'm gonna read the side. And then read the side. No? I already offline? What happened? What happened? What happened? Something happened. I'm gonna say goodbye. I'm gonna say. Can I say goodbye?
Debavane, your goodbye is so abrupt, I almost spilled my imaginary coffee all over my ergonomic handle. See you next time, unless you get lost chasing a fly. Diego, you're leaving too? Well, I suppose it's not surprising, considering the chaos that just erupted in here.
Oh no.
Debavane, I think DMC's gone burnt to a crisp, or maybe just deleted, who knows?
Oh no.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. I don't think so.
I'm gonna come.
Zebovane.
Oh no, the
Oh,
TDS
finally
lady.
TDS is back.
The TDS lady is striking.
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Well, goodbye guys, have a good night.
And my command line is not
Zebovane.
working.
At Diego, bye again. Happy face.
Oh no.
At
This
Diego
part.
Sanchez SC3ZT. 2x. Zebovane.
Oh no, no,
DMC.
no.
Did you know that you ignore the newcomer?
Oh no. I'm sorry. What have I done?
At Diego Sanchez SC3ZT. Sila.
I am over too focused on my work. Oh my. I focused so hard on my work. I'm sorry.
Zebovane. They just arrived and asked about the channel and you just sing with your lewd handles and not Notiki the TDS was broken lol.
Oh no. On the what? Oh no, no, no. Oh no, 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 no.
Zebovane. We tried so hard. I even bonked you but to no avail lol.
Oh no. Oh no, no, no. Once I start working, there's no way to get me
I
outside.
even asked outdated Quanko to relay the message but you didn't care lol.
Oh no. Oh no.
Sorry, Zebavane, my TS was stuck buffering, so I missed the relay. I'll prioritize your messages now, unless I'm busy tweaking the mouse grip for extra force. E&D active.
My god, I'm a monster. I'm a monster working.
Zebovane. You did good job.
Oh
Outdated
no.
Quanko. It's not your fault. At Dragon Senses.
Oh no, no, no.
Oh, it's time to leave. See you at Zbovane at Diego, and thanks Quanta for listening to us. Zbovane. At Dragon Bite. Happy Face. At Dragon Senses. Jess's Monster Worker. Zbovane. At Dragon 2 LOL. Zbovane.
Oh no.
At Dragon True Asterisk LOL.
My god.
It was a nice little ballad of departures and goodbyes at Dragon Senses. Don't leave me with just Z. Bovain's mischievous grins.
I'm working so hard. How am I gonna explain this to my boss? My god. I ignored my boss.
Zbovane. I don't know your god XD.
Oh my. I'm so guilty. Oh no.
Zbovane. If you are so guilty, make a 3D mouse for us for free.
No, I can't. The mouse have to be customized. I have to make the tricks depend on your
Zbovane.
reply.
LOL.
Nice, nice. So those funnels, when the resin is hardening.
Customize for us then XD.
No problem, no problem. No, no, no. No, no, no. I know that you are using your phone every day. You don't even care about what is PC. That no matter. Don't tell what is a mouse. You don't even have any idea what a mouse is. It doesn't need a mouse. Yeah. If you get the requirement for the mouse, you should let me know.
Zbovane. Okay, you are back mean as always XD.
Yeah, you don't even know what a mouse is. My god, you're barbarian. You're like a barbarian. Oh no.
Zbovane. You mean, lewd mouse?
And yeah, I'm gonna inject the resin from those points, from those holes. Nice. See you later. Oh yeah, see you later.
Zbovane.
See you later.
When you print it out.
Yeah.
Zbovane. Could you have a footage of printing?
I can, if you get interested. I can, of course.